When all is said and done,
what's up everybody, I'm Ashley, and in today's video I'm so excited because I'm going to be making my very first vision board or dream board or whatever you want to call it. If you don't know what a dream board is, it's basically when you print images that you inspire of your goals, things that you just want to see come into your life, and you just glue them on top of a board or anything. And the point is that you look at it every day, you get inspired and motivated, and you subconsciously take steps to get these things to be incorporated into your life. And I'm just super excited to make it. I've seen so many videos on YouTube that of how to make a vision board, making a vision board, and today I just want to show you my version of a vision board and some advice on how you can make yours and how you can organize it and glue everything down and be really creative with it. You can put your own twist on it. You can make it however you like. Again, this is just how I'm gonna do it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Here's some scissors. I have some stick glue. You can use tape if you want to, but if you want it to last longer, which I do because I'm gonna keep my vision board until I accomplish everything that's on it. So I want it to last as long as possible. So if you want it to last as long as possible, I suggest you use glue. You're gonna need a board or something that you're gonna put your images on. I got this board from Walmart and it's pretty big. You don't have to get yours this big. So at the back it says that it's a 16-inch, so that's how big my board is, if you were wondering. But yeah, and I just decided to get black just because I feel like it'll make the images stand out more, and I just feel like the vision board should be as visually pleasing as possible, just because you're gonna look at this every day and this is what's supposed to motivate you and stuff like that. So you wanna make sure that it's pretty. So the first thing you want to do is, what I recommend, is that you open up either Google Docs or Word document so that you can have a place to copy and paste images that you want to use. I already have a few things added to my page that I'm going to print out. I have the word flourish, I am healthy, American Sign Language, travel, some words that I think speak to me. And I find the best place to search for images and inspirational quotes and things like that is Pinterest. I was looking up independent quotes because one of my goals is to be independent and to get my own place and things like that. And then once you gather all the images that you want to use on your board, just go ahead and print them out. All my images that I printed out and a few quotes and stuff. So I'm just gonna lay them out and try to position them in a way that is aesthetically pleasing to me. So I'm just gonna spread everything out to see what I have. I think that the best way to go about placement is to place things in a way that flows. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. So I think this is super cute.
Cap and a stem, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. I'm Luke skywalking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Things come, you know that wait up. And don't wait the dancing too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. 23s having a Jordan moment. Wildin' with the paper. Ice all on my chain. I just popped two up and staying up. Hanging with the gang, that shit dangerous. I can fuck you with my chain, you should take a look. Yeah. Come and catch your way, take one out my cup. Damn LG, damn the police. Wildin' in that Z, moving up your street. When we on the creek, can't be saying to the beach. Ain't no day, ain't no.
This is my finished result, and I tried to organize my images in a way that made sense to me and my goals, and I suggest that's what you do as well. Just remember that this is just my idea of my vision board, and this is how I chose to lay out my images. You could do it however you like. You put your own spin on it, and you can even make a digital vision board if you wanted to. I'm just gonna try to give you guys a brief description of the images and why I chose them. So this little area up here in this top corner is mostly about prosperity and growing financially and being my own boss, because that's something I really aspire to do. As you can see, it says girl boss, set goals and crush them. You see money, you see opportunities, and I don't know if you can tell, but the sticker says good things come to those who hustle. I thought that was cute. And I have the word confidence here because I believe when you're going after your goals and aspirations, you really have to have confidence. And speaking of goals, one of my main goals is to become a certified personal trainer, and this is just a certificate that you get after you pass your exam, which I know I am, but I just have that there for inspiration and keep me focused to study. And then right below that, I have a girl in a cap and gown, and I have a cap that says she turned her cans into cans and her dreams into plans. And I thought that was super cute. Of course, my goal is to graduate and earn my bachelor's. I have natural hair goals right here because I love my natural hair, and I think it's so important to represent beautiful natural hair and beautiful 4C black hair, because I feel like, you know, a lot of people just feel like that hair isn't beautiful. And then right below that, I have like my little travel section, because of course I want to travel. Who doesn't? I have my little passport, I have a plane, I have some beautiful destinations. I want to go everywhere and see everything. I have the word healthy because I do want to lead a more healthy lifestyle, because I just feel like, you know, being a personal trainer and being healthy is just, they go hand in hand and they're both really important to me. And then right here, I have a picture of Jasmine Brown from her apartment tour, which I thought was so inspirational. And I just put my first apartment over it just for inspiration. Of course, I'm not going to have that kind of place for my first apartment, but it's just inspiration. It's something that, you know, is good to look at and it motivates me. And then right below it, I have a picture of a beautiful bathtub, because in my first apartment, it's really important for me to have a nice bathtub that I could just relax in. And right here, you see the words vegan and 100% vegan, because I do want to try to go vegan. Here I have body goals. This says Ashley's LLC, because I do want to own my own company, and I think that is something that I can definitely do. Right here is like my little YouTube section. I love YouTube, I love watching YouTube, and it's definitely a platform that I want to grow and thrive in. And as you can see, it says the word creativity, because I do want to be more creative on this platform. And then I have a laptop and a camera, because my current laptop is very dusty, and it would just bless my life, and it'll bless my YouTube life if I could just have a better laptop to edit on. And then I have the word unapologetic, because I feel like when you're going after your goals and your dreams, that you really have to be unapologetic and you have to have confidence. So right here, I just have like an ink picture of New York, because I would love to live in New York and go to school in New York, and it's definitely a goal of mine. And then right here, I have a quote that says, I try not to laugh at my own jokes, but we all know I'm hilarious. This laughter is really important to me. I love laughing. I love people who can make me laugh. I love making other people laugh. And I just want to make sure that no matter what I do, I always continue to laugh and make other people laugh. And then right above that, I have the word flourish, which is really my overall goal of my 2018-2019 year. So I thought that was a really nice word to put it towards the center of my board. And then right above that, I have a car, which is my dream first car, which is a Mini Cooper. I think they're so cute and tiny and perfect for me. And then I have American Sign Language because I love learning sign language and my goal is to become fluent and to learn more about the culture. Then I put the words I am, love and happiness. This is a picture of art because I love art, which ties into creativity. I added these little clothespins because I thought they were cute, a cute way to add little stuff to my board, and I thought that was cute. There's actually another one right here in the top corner where I could put something, but I haven't put anything there yet. And then I don't know if you can tell, but like at the very bottom, I have the words explore, travel, and discover. And that's basically all for my 2018-2019 vision board. I put 2018 through 2019 just because I'm making this board like not in the beginning of the year, so I decided to make it for 2018 and 2019. I think it's really important to put a time stamp on your vision board because you don't want these things to happen like 10 years down the line. You want to try to put pressure on it and put pressure on yourself to get things done. So that's what I decided to do. But that's basically all for my vision board. I hope this motivates you guys to go out and create your own vision board and really focus in on what your goals are. I had a lot of fun making the board. I had a lot of fun making this video. I hope I encouraged a lot of you to go make your own vision boards and get motivated. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
We out.